I'm always doing these like late at night, and I have to like whisper into the camera so my parents don't hear me. Oh well. C2, if you're wondering why Shlyn is being so shy on camera, it's because earlier today I told her we had like 4 views from Brazil and like 2, 3 from the UK and like from Germany and I don't remember all these places. You can like find it on our YouTube channel from where all our video has been viewed and stuff. She's now she's all camera shy. She's just like, no people are watching us. It's okay, Shlyn, I love you very much. Anyways, so notes from C2's video since Cassie's video didn't give me much to go on. Oh, which reminds me, now I forgot again. Cool. Okay. So C2, in your last video, you were complaining about like how socially awkward you are. It's okay. We all are. No, like, no. You were okay. You didn't have to talk to them. They were on name probably. It's okay. I'm the same way at parties. I am so socially awkward. I don't go near the kids. I just stand in the corner like. So I'm gonna respond to your college stuff just because I can. You know, if you want to get into Salem, I know you can. You are so smart. Like, you can at least get a partial scholarship, if not a full scholarship. So, you know, if you want to go there, then, you know, try and get at least a partial scholarship and you can go. Well, I mean, that is if it's large enough of a partial scholarship that you can afford, whatever. And oh my gosh, darling, I didn't even have to write like a character essay thingy for college, and it was hard. May the powers be with you. I was gonna say force, but then you know that doesn't really work. So, well, you know, may the force always be with you, anyways. But that's not gonna help you write the essay. So. Oh my god, I'm such a loser. Anyway, and yeah, I took the PSAT. I don't really know how well I did. I think I got in like the 76th percentile. I don't even know what that means. I don't think it was very good, but whatever. And my school, I don't remember what my school did, but there was another pre-test thing that sophomores were supposed to take, and I was sick that day, so I didn't take it. So I was there for the PSAT, so that's good. My camera or my computer needs to learn to not go dark. Oh my god, it's completely gone. My computer needs to learn to not go dark so that you guys can see me in my videos. It would help if I filmed these in the day too. It'd also help if I forget. Anyways, oh, I put a light on. That might help. LOL. I'm not gonna do that. LOL. I just said LOL. Oh my gosh. Anyways. And darling, I already had plans to take both. I've already known that for a while I'm going to be taking both the ACT and SAT. Trying to say those. And isn't there like one more test? I don't remember. I was, and I tried to actually find this day because I was like, before when I was looking at Stanford, there was like a whole bunch of, you know, how to get in, what GPA and blah 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 what that you need. There were like 60 different tests. Most and like some of them were for Europe and stuff, but like under the US ones, of course there's the SAT and the ACT. I feel like there was one more. I was like, oh, I'll take that too, but I can't find what that one more is. So I guess it doesn't exist, so I probably won't take it. Awkward. Anyways. Um, yeah, darling. I've been seriously looking since like halfway through my, actually, I've been seriously looking since like freshman year, and then I took chemistry, and so I had to seriously start looking at which college I want to go to get again. And for becoming a diplomat, I want to get into either Princeton or Georgetown. So for my undergraduate, my graduate, how I go to Oxford at Cambridge in England. So overachiever, yes I am. I don't know if I'll be able to take a tour of, Princeton or Georgetown, since Georgetown is in DC and that's far away now, and Princeton is in New Jersey and that's also far away currently. Oh well, if I still lived in New Jersey, I could get it. My face is gonna look glowy no matter how I do this. Whatever. I don't actually do that. Anyways. Oh my god, I just started off camera. That's awkward. Reading my notes. Oh my gosh. Anyways, reading my notes. Yeah. You were like talking about how like if people don't want to go to college, then don't. And I mean, I totally agree with you. I totally want to go to college. I totally need to go to college to become a diplomat. And even if I didn't know what I was gonna do, I'd still go to like a technical or a community or I don't know what type of college, and I'd major in a few languages, just because I love learning languages. I love languages. I'm just like, even though I haven't learned any languages, but there's a reason for that. Oh well. Anyways. Oh yeah, and as for what was I saying? Oh yeah. As for your darling little face and you're sending me a photo, I'll get the cutest little photo frame. Wow, Margaret, photo frame. I'll put your cute little face in it. I'll like put it somewhere. I'll be like, cheers. Oh, by the way, you're surprised. You know how I said I'll have it by like Sunday? I'm gonna have to back that up a bit. I still haven't set up the computer. So once that's set up, I'll probably have it done in like a day. Then you'll have your surprise. So, yeah. Wow, that was awkward. Anyways, I had so much more like when I was babysitting, I was just like sitting there and I was like, okay, I'll say this in the video, and this, and now I don't remember any of it. So, oh yeah, I went babysitting today. It was good. I just sat there and watched movies and then came home starving because I didn't want to eat any of their food. And then mom told me, you realize babysitting is to eat other people's food. I'm like, that's horrible. Anyways. So, oh my, okay. So, do you do that when you babysit? When you babysit people at their house, do you eat their food? Is this normal? Tell me. Bye bye. Yeah.